Here's one that's kept kind of the original look to it, but yet has that old school street rod feel. 1946 Ford two-door sedan. This is Ford Maroon, actually a DuPont paint code that will go along with the receipts. You'll see it in the receipts as far as the paint code. And the receipts in this vehicle are basically from 2012 to 2016 when it was built. 350 small block shell powered that is paired up with a manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front chrome bright work on this. As you can see, the chrome bright work shows well up front here. Bumpers have been re-chromed. You'll see that in the receipts. Kind of a whole folder of them. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, interior, underside. Check out all the pictures on this vehicle at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the hood and the fenders. Go ahead. Lake pipe look coming out behind that front wheel. And as you can see, kind of the classic chromies on it. Passenger side. Again, you can see nice reflection coming off that paint. Good luster to it. There's a cloth interior. Still kept the stock look of the dash, gauge cluster, and we'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you run, check out that interior a little closer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Battery is relocated to the trunk, FYI. This will also come with a Yogi's front end cover and also a car cover that you're going to see up along the wall there. So car cover and a Yogi's front end cover. If you got it out on the highway doing a little traveling with it, want to keep the bugs, maybe the rock chips off of there. Again, you can see the reflection of the lights, everything coming off of this driver's side. Chrome and bright work again around the rear. Dual exhaust. All the chrome and bright work looks good on this vehicle too. This handle is just left down from when I opened it last, but we're going to go ahead and check out that interior. Door panels, nice shape, carpeting. I do have a picture with the floor mat out in with the still pictures, and you can see the interior dash and everything painted to match, but look at the chrome and bright work on the interior. No rips, tears, holes as far as the seats go. Headliner intact, looks good. There'll be pictures of the rear seating area and with the stills, or 100 pictures of this car online. All right, so we're going to go ahead. Let's fire this up. So of course we just have the on switch here. Put that on, and your electric fuel pump. Push button start, of course, down over here. That's all it takes. Fuel pressure, or excuse me, fuel gauge, not fuel pressure, but fuel gauge appears to be working just fine. Coming up there. Oil pressure coming up. Oh, we got a little cam in that small block. Amp meter appears to be charging, and I'm assuming the temp gauge will come up with the temperature of the engine. That was a cold start, as you can see. Make sure we're in neutral. Got that old school hot rod sound too, go with the looks. There you get an idea how that sounds. Nice throaty exhaust note. Little rumble to it, like I said, with the cam. We're going to slip up to the front too, so you can see this engine bay. There is a release, of course, hood release in the interior of this. So right here, we're going to pop that. I believe I can get this one-handed because I want to show you the hood struts.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Stay secured. There we go. Electronic ignition. 4-barrel Edelbrock carb. Vented chrome air cleaner cover. Edelbrock chrome valve covers. Nice looking engine bay, good sounding vehicle. 1946 Ford. Two-door sedan, an old school street rod look. Keeping a lot of the original look too. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.